Hello again everybody. Today I'm going to show you a performance and tutorial for a shortened version of another original effect by Calibus71 called Psychic Surprise. So if you want to see his complete performance and tutorial, the links are right over here and in the description box below. He's always coming up with creative stuff, so check him out. So what we have over here is a blue deck of bicycle playing cards. I'm going to give those a couple of little mixes, and you can see that all the cards are different and there's no order to the cards, and we'll just set these down over here for the time being. And now the red deck over here, you'll notice that all these cards have numbers on them, and there's no particular reason. They're just all numbered differently, 1 through 52. So all of these cards are numbered 1 through 52, and you can check that out. But I'm going to show you a tutorial, so it doesn't really matter. So we're going to mix all the cards, and now what I'm going to do is we're going to take the cards and turn them face up, and we're going to make two piles of 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26. 26. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make 25 swaps. A swap means what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap a card from the top to the bottom. And I'm going to do this 25 times, and I'm going to do it with, I'm going to start with this pile right over here. When you want, say switch, and then I'll switch and swap the card to the bottom from this pile until I've gotten to 25. And you can say switch as many times as you want. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, switch. 4, switch. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, switch. 11, 12, 13, 14, switch. 15, 16, switch. 17, 18, 19, switch. 20, 21, 22, switch. 23, 24, switch. 25. Okay, so you had complete control over where you wanted me to stop, and you stopped me on these two cards right over here, the 8 of diamonds and the 2 of spades. So now the question I have for you is, which card do you prefer, the 8 of diamonds or the 2 of spades? You like the 8 of diamonds better? Okay, let's turn over the 2 of spades. And the 2 of spades has the number 14 written on it. Now let's take this deck and we'll count the 14th card, and we'll see if it is your card, the 8 of diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and the 14th card is the 8 of diamonds. Okay, so this will work regardless if the spectator said, I want the 2 of spades, then I would have turned that over and it would have said 47, and the 47th card would have been the 2 of spades. So how do you do this trick? Now let me show you how you reset this quickly. What you do to reset this is you take either one of the two piles, reverse the order of one of the piles, and then take the two cards, place them back on, and then set one pile on top of the other, and now you're set. Okay, so here is what you're going to do. You're going to take a deck of cards, 52 cards, and a Sharpie, and if you don't want to ruin the cards, you can take some tape and you can put tape on the back of the cards, or you can dedicate a deck to this trick because I think it's really cool. And what you're going to do is you're going to mix the cards up, all 52 of them. They're going to be randomly mixed, and then you're going to start numbering them 1, 2, and you're going to go straight down to 52. Then after you have them all numbered 1 to 52, you're going to shuffle them all up. So you're going to have all these cards that are randomly numbered and shuffled. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is, now we're in a situation right here where I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26. So you're going to divide the piles into two sections, or you could just take two cards at a time. And what you're going to do is you're going to take two cards at a time and you're going to turn them over one of them. Oh, I forgot. What you're going to do now is you're going to write down the numbers 1 to 52 on a sheet of paper. So this takes a little bit of time, but I think it's well worth it. So you're going to write 1 to 52 on a piece of paper, and you're going to take 2 cards at a time. So now the 7 of diamonds, and this card says 31. So in the 31st spot, you're going to write 7 of diamonds. Then you're going to turn this card over, and in the 8th spot, you're going to write 9 of diamonds. Then you're going to take the next 2 cards. You're going to turn this one over. In the 51st spot, you're going to write ace of clubs on your list. In the 13th spot, you're going to write 10 of hearts. You're going to go straight through just like this. In the 45th place, you're going to write ace of hearts. In the 33rd place, you're going to write 8 of clubs. So you go through all the cards, and you then get all 52 cards. Now, this pile is now lined up with this pile, and you're going to put one pile on top of the other. So card number 1 matches card number 27. You can cut the cards as many times as you want. It won't mess up the cyclical order. So the top card will always match the 27th card. The second card will always match the 28th card. So the way you start the trick, then what you do is after you have this list filled out with all the cards in every position, you take another deck and you set the deck up just like that. So here I have the Queen of Spades is number 1, 8 of Hearts is number 2, 6 of Hearts is 3, 2 of Diamonds is 4, and you go straight through 1 through 52, and you set this deck up all the way down just like that. Now you can give the cards a cut, and remember the Jack of Diamonds is on the bottom of the deck, and now you're ready to begin. So you start with this deck, and you can give the cards a couple of cuts, and as long as you don't mess up the cyclical order, these are it's just like cutting the cards as many times as you want. Then you show the spectator that all the cards are different, and what you're doing now is you're looking for the Jack of Diamonds because you want to just get that right to the bottom. So now nothing has changed, and your 52 cards are in the right order. Now what you're going to do here is, this is very important, is you want to deal 26 cards down, and you're going to be reversing the order, because right now card number 1 matches with 27. You're going to, after you cut this a few times and you show the spectator that you've got all different numbers, you're going to deal down 26 cards. I like to do it face up so they're looking at the cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and then set this pile down. So now, the way this works out, the top card over here matches up with the bottom card over here. So the 8 of Spades is the 26th card, and if you look on my list, the 8 of Spades is the 26th card. So basically now you have, this pile is the reverse of this pile. So now, because there are 26 cards, when you do 25 swaps, no matter how you do it, if you take 25 swaps just from this pile, or no matter how you do it, it will always land, the 2 cards will be a match. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, switch, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, switch, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, switch, 23, 24, 25. So now it looks like the spectator has had complete control. This deck appeared to be shuffled. This deck appeared to be cut and mixed up. The spectator had complete control of landing on these 2 cards, and now they have a choice which card they want. And let's say they want the 9 of Spades, so you turn over and show that the number is 22, and then you count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and the 22nd card is the 9 of Spades. And as you saw, the Queen of Spades is number 1, so if they would have selected the Queen of Spades, that would have said number 1. Now, like I said before, in order to reset the trick, all you need to do is take either one of these 2 piles, reverse the order of the cards the right way, and then take these 2 cards, set them back on top, and then just set one pile on top of the other, and you're ready to go. If this should happen to get mixed up, and then all you need is to just save this list. So save this setup just like this with this list. It's easy to get the cards just like this, and then another deck you can have already set up if you want. And like I said, you can put the tape on the cards if you don't want to ruin your cards. But I thought this was a pretty cool card trick. I know a lot of you are probably not going to like it because you don't want to waste a deck just on a trick like this, but I thought it was pretty powerful, mathematical, self-working. Let me know what you think. That's it. I'll see you next time.